Here we are. That sounds promising. Oh. Okay. Right. Sorry about the glitchiness. Oh, what the heck? New zombie. What the heck? Okay. Oh, snap. He jumped on me again. Get off me. Oh, I can shoot him. I have a gun now. Oh, okay. Get off me. Get off me. New feature. Nitro. What the heck? Get off me. Scraping you off. Oh, I can get a better weapon here. Zombie Highway 2. Alright. Oh gosh. There's a lot of harpoon gun. That look dope. There must be a lot of objectives. Alright, here we go. Like I said, guys, sorry about it glitching out. Ooh, the graphics are a whole lot better than they were. But same concept. Get off me. Here we go, here we go. Get off me again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Strong zombie. Oops, I didn't mean to hit that. Oh my gosh. Ah! I got 2 zombies on one side. Get off. Oh snap, I'm out of ammo. Oh snap, this isn't good. Hey, you won't die. Get off. Right. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa, what the heck? What is that building up ahead? Ooh, okay, nice building. Get off me. Get off me. What the heck? Okay. Get off. I'm about to hit the turbo, but I don't want to. I only have one left. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, what the heck? Red. I'm out of ammo, no. Get off us. Get off. Get off. Whoa, these guys are strong. Stop. Oh, gosh, dang. Oh, my gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. Holy crap. Next. Back. Okay. That was some dope stuff right there. Okay, so we got this gun. Alright. Oh my gosh. Why'd it get all darky? Okay, let's play. That was some dope, crazy, scary stuff. That's all I have to say. So, what the heck? Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. And see you later.